am a disciplined and a profitable trader. I trade smartly and confidently. I have the mind of Christ in me, and the wisdom of God is at work in me. Hello everyone, welcome you all back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, please do well to subscribe, share, comment and like. Or if you're a returning subscriber, do well to like, comment and share. Let's just go straight into today's video. We're going to analyze this week's market and see what the market has for us. So the first thing we do is to check our FX book to know the high impact news we'll be having for this week. Okay, so here we are. Monday, we don't really have high impact news. Then Wednesday, we have Fed interest rate decision and FOMC economic project, Fed press conference. So for me, my week starts on Wednesday and Thursday as well. So after checking this, let's go straight to our CNBC to check the fundamentals we have for this week. Okay, so here we are. Let's see the high impact news we have for this week. Basically, I'm not seeing much here. Please, as I've always said, always check your fundamentals as soon as the market opens on Sunday evening. So let's go back to our trading view to analyze our markets. Now we'll be starting with Nasdaq. Here we are. You see this particular horizontal line. You see that Nasdaq reacted on this particular support. It has reacted there 3 times. Starting from 4 hours. Now this is our 4 hours time frame. Let's see what Nasdaq has for us. Look at this resistance zone that later became support. And this right here as well. Let's check our 1 hour time frame to see it clearly. Now this is it for me here exactly. Look at this resistance zone that got respected, a resistance zone that became support. It became support, and that is exactly where market is reacting on right now. You can see it. You can see it right here. Market reacted there. So that will be my entry price. A pre-market comes back there to take us in. So now this is my first entry. This will be my first entry on Nasdaq. My prayer would be Nasdaq should please come back to this point and take us in. But if it doesn't, I'll be monitoring this trade closely on Monday. Trial next week basically. I'll monitor it and see if I can enter manually. If I see any confirmation to enter manually, I would enter manually. So this is my first entry on Nasdaq. Now my second entry would be from here. This is Nasdaq. You have to be very careful. This will be my second entry for Nasdaq. Let's move straight to gold and see what gold has for us. Last week wasn't for me at all. Gold was just playing me as if it was playing game. Now that I spot an entry like this, boom, gold has moved, boom, gold has moved, gold. I pray this week is blessed for me and blessed for you as well. This right here should be my first. So gold can decide to do anything. Let's check 1 hour. Let's modify our point of interest. Okay, so we've gotten 3 points of interest on gold right now. Let's come down to lower time frames to see if we would have some entries. If you notice, gold has actually reacted on our entry, on our point of interest. Look at these rejections. If I was in the market when this happened, I would have entered the market. A short trade basically. My prayer right now is price should come back to that entry price and take us in. So my first entry is here. Squeeze. This is a 7 weeks to reward trade. My second entry on gold would be from here. This has TP. And this has SL. So this will be my second entry. This is a 10 weeks to reward half trade on gold. Basically, these are all the trades I'll be taking for this week. I'll be watching them closely. This week, make sure you trade smartly. Don't over leverage. If you are not seeing your setup, please don't enter the trade. It is better for you not to make profits than to lose money. But last week was one of my craziest week ever. Entries upon missed entries. I had 3 losses on Nasdaq, and I never because of that lose myself while I was having this losing streaks. Know what you're doing. The market doesn't owe you anything. If you're new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and like. But if you're a returning subscriber, don't forget to comment, share, and like. And with all of this being said, I'll see you in my next video. And until then, stay safe and remain blessed.
I am not a failure, and so I cannot fail. I am constantly learning to improve myself.